Hey there, today I am going to walk you through the process of adding products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. And here is how. The first step is simple. Go to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the Settings tab. Within Settings, locate the option for Apps and Sales Channels. Now, within the Apps and Sales Channels section, click on the Shopify App Store. Once you are in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for the Alibaba app. There are several options available, but for this demonstration, I'll be using the Ant DIY Alibaba Dropshipping app. It offers a free plan with a 14-day trial and provides features like faster shipping, a wide range of products, and branded invoicing. Click on the app you have chosen and select the option to install it. Click Install again. After installation, it is time to set up the app. Click on to publish more products. Simply click on Import Products to finalize the process. If you are importing products from Alibaba or AliExpress, you will need to enter the URL of the product and select the supplier as Alibaba. Remember, to import Alibaba products, you will need to utilize the 14-day free trial offered by the app. And there you have it. Adding products from Alibaba to your Shopify store is as easy as following these simple steps.